Are you searching for best stick welders in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on Amazon products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best stick welders on the market. Number 1, Dekopro Arc Welder. This is our Deco 160A MMA welder, which will enable you to obtain a professional finish in welding, car bodywork, and many other thin steel welding process. With this welding tool, you can now experience many advantages of the MMA welding process. It is packed with versatility and easy-to-use features. It can be used for various mild steel welding processes. By using this welding tool, you can get many benefits from the MMA welding process. The resulting weld will be stronger. The rod will flow evenly, and the pressure will be easier to initiate. Important feature, the welding voltage can be continue adjusting to exactly match welding current. On-off frequency is out of audio frequency, nearly abate the noise pollution. Special welding dynamic characteristic control the circuit, stable welding arc, little spatter, good welding surface, high welding efficiency. Number 2, Zeny Arc Welder. Zeny Direct is a company committed to providing high-quality products and good service to buyers. Zeny the MMA stick welder package comes ready to weld. Simply add the welding electrodes. It offers infinite amperage control with an LED meter so you can set the machine to your required settings. Perfect for machinery manufacturing, sheet metal processing, guardrail, automotive maintenance, iron processing, large projects, factory, shipyard, home decoration, construction field, etc. This Zeny Arc welding machine supports 110V and 220V input voltage, with built-in voltage compensation technology. 3 levels protection, adopt advanced IGBT technology, higher inverter efficiency up to 85%, more power saving than traditional welder. Support by PWM control system, very smart design, portable design. Number 3, Forney Arc Welder. For professional welders or DIY enthusiasts, the Forney Easy Weld 100 SC is a perfect choice. This is a great welder machine for home use. For occasional welding repairs on light gauge metals, this arc welder works flawlessly. Lightweight design provides portability. 100 ST stick welder features an innovative inverter power system that is lightweight and simple to use, ensuring hassle-free operation and top performance results. The perfect starter arc welder machine delivers a 120V input and 90A output, plus is TIG capable, sold separately. Important feature, easy start technology saves power and makes the welding easy, extremely portable and easy to use, decent quality welder for the price. Number 4, Tooliom Arc Stick Welder. This arc stick welder is an affordable option for welding mild steel and other types of metals. With a compact design and advanced digital features, this welder allows for maximum portability and user convenience. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, this welder is perfect for your welding application. This includes MIG, stick, TIG welder, plasma cutter, welding helmet, welding wire, welding gloves, and so on. There is a smart digital display that provides intuitive information such as the output welding current. Besides, there is also an alarm LED and adjustable knob. Even if you are a beginner, these features allow you to use the stick welder conveniently. Number 5, Simder Arc Welder. For beginners and those who want to do small repairs at home, this DC welding machine is a great choice. It is robustly built and offers high performance for various applications. Various security features have been included. You can use this tool to fix objects or weld 2 metal body parts. There is the implementation of advanced IGBT technology. The power source requirement is dual voltage 110V 220V. The rated duty cycle is 60%. When used in the dual voltage advanced control mode, this mini electric welder boosts the efficiency of the welding process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.